folks. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You know, this week I was thinking something casserole. Definitely cheese. Several different kinds of cheese. And cauliflower. Cauliflower tastes good. No. Broccoli. You know what? Broccoli goes with cauliflower, so why not? While you're at it, might as well put some meat in there, so how about some chicken? Well, so I came up with what I call my Anything Cheese Casserole. Come check it out. Follow this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay guys, let's start this casserole off right with a medium-sized head of broccoli. Break all the leaves off, cut away all the excess, and chop the rest of the broccoli up into smaller pieces for the casserole. Chop, 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 guys. Looks like a professional, huh? And that's the finished product right there. Gonna put that into the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Time for the chicken. Started with 2 nice sized chicken breasts. I'm gonna slice these down into sections of 4 slices per chicken breast. A total of 8 slices of chicken. Time to fry the chicken, guys. Have a little bit of heat, some cooking oil, dump the chicken breast in, spread them out, season them up with some sea salt, season both sides, let's not forget the garlic, season both sides with some garlic, flip them around. Look at that, guys, nice and brown. Looks good enough to eat one right there before you even finish the project. Alright, they're cooked, set that aside. Time for the cheese sauce. 1 cup of heavy cream. Half a block of cream cheese. We're going to stir that around and get that to melt into the heavy cream. Now we're going to add 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese and 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. Think that's enough cheese, guys? Hang on, there's more. We're going to stir that around. Not going to completely melt it, just get it to stir around and mix in nicely. There you go, time to assemble the casserole. Put the chicken down on the bottom. And put the broccoli on top. Cauliflower on top. Broccoli's next, guys. There you go, we're going to steam some broccoli. Put that on. Here comes the cheese. Look at that. Think that's enough cheese, guys? Hang on, there's more. Spread that around. Now I told you, Parmesan cheese. Can't have casserole without Parmesan cheese, now can we? Cover that up. Into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes. And there you go. Let's bring that a little closer and have a closer look. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, can't wait to have some. Oh yeah, definitely got cheese. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.